everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Tango gift card online using your computer. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box displayed at the top of the page, type in www.tangocard.com and press enter on a keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of tangocard.com. Now go to the top right hand and you'll be able to see a sign in or redeem option. Simply mouse over to that and a pop-up should appear. Click on redeem a Tango card option from the choices displayed inside the pop-up box. Once you do that, on the next page simply enter your Tango card number, which is your redemption card number located at the back of your Tango gift card. Simply type in the information correct. Make sure to enter the gift card number, which is 16 digits long. Now enter the PIN code available at the back of your gift card as well and click on I'm not a robot beneath. Finally, click the activate button right beneath the box. And once you do that, you can use your gift card while making a purchase from tangocard.com. Once you've selected the rewards for which you'd like to redeem your reward link, you can click the checkout button or simply add the product in your cart and redeem it during the checkout process. That is how you can easily redeem your gift card for Tango. Quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.